Every marketer out there, e-commerce, b2b, lead gen, whoever is using a crm or whoever has data or the customer data in the offline world, that is in the real world, in the other systems other than the ad platforms, need this offline conversion tracking. There are a few best practices that as a marketer one should follow. So let's see what is offline conversion tracking and what are the best practices that you should follow. First, answering what is offline conversion. So any conversion or anything that happens off the web is called an offline conversion because it is not happening in the online world. Now, what is offline conversion tracking? Measuring these offline conversions is what is offline conversion tracking. For example, let's say you have an e-commerce store. Now, not every customer will buy your goods online. You also have an offline store. Okay, so people will also buy, the same person who purchases online might also purchase offline, or they might not purchase online, but they might have been your regular customers to your offline store, right? Similarly, you are a lead gen marketer, let's assume. You have all the leads coming onto your website. Now, they will not convert on the website most of the times. You will save the data in the CRM, then the person calls up or some other things happen in the offline world, and only then the lead converts. Now, how do you track these conversions that happen offline and send to Google Ads is altogether a different topic. And today I'll be showing you a few best practices that you should do when you are implementing offline conversion tracking. If you want to know how to implement offline conversion tracking seamlessly, I have given you a link in the description of this video, which will take you to the blog of where I have written how to implement or how to set up this offline conversion tracking in Google Ads specifically. But if you want offline conversion tracking in any ad platform, just let us know. We'll help you out. So now let's continue. Here are some of the best practices for offline conversion tracking. Number one, automate the flow of offline event data into ad platforms. So we'll be dealing with respect to ad platforms. So number one, what I meant to say is generally when the offline conversions happen, what people do is they'll gather, they'll have an interval like 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, or once in a week. They'll download all that lead data or all the offline conversion from the store and then upload it. No, that should not be the case. There should be a continuous flow between the your crm or any other source where you have this offline data to the ad platforms very smoothly, very easily, and in almost real time. So the data should keep flowing in. It's like getting 24 hours drinking water supply. So the water should always be flowing. So the lead should always be flowing from the crm to your ad platform. There should be connection. You should not involve in intervene. It should be automated. Next, assign an external id or user id. So everyone who lands on your website, you'll assign an external id or user id, and in your crm also the user id continues. So when you send back again to the ad platform will have the user id from the web and also from the offline. It will match. So the meta or google or any of the ad platforms, they recommend you assign an external id to the user and send it back through offline conversion as well as the browser pixel. So that's a best practice that ad platforms recommend you. Next, add values to your conversion. So your conversion happens in multiple stages. So let's say first they clicks on your, I mean, they lands on your website, then they submits the form. After that they'll be converting. Let's say that there are these three stages. Now you will have value for that conversion at the end. Let's say you are selling some ferrari, so the end value of ferrari is something, so that value should be conveyed to ad platform. I'll take a small example and show you how it will work. Here in this you can see I have taken a flow of a finance website. So a user comes in, clicks on home loan section, and then clicks on mortgage, and then clicks on apply now. So when they do that, so like this, so lands on your home page and then clicks on the home loan section and then clicks on mortgage and then clicks on apply now. Now finally after they apply, the lead of that, I mean the profit or the revenue that the bank makes out of it is, let's say, dollar 200. Now that's the conversion value of the customer. Now we will backtrack it and take it assign the value for each stage. So apply now is 200 $200. We know that the conversion rate from mortgage to, I mean, who clicked on mortgage to apply now is 20%. So you'll backtrack it and calculate the value of the lead stage of this users who clicked on mortgage. Next, you again more backtrack and you'll assign the value to everyone who clicks on the home loan section from your ads, that is $16. So this is a very generic example of the events happening on the website alone. Next, number four, not final conversions alone. So basically, what happens is generally marketers tend to send only the final converted leads alone to your ad platforms. So that's not the best practice. The ad platforms say you should sync all the conversions on all the leads that you get into ad platforms by telling it which stage each lead is. For example, let's say you have a lead stages of opportunity lead, and then opportunity, solution fit, and then finally customer, convert to customer. Now when you're sending the data to ad platform, you should not send the data of customer alone. You should also send the data of the near conversion stages like solution fit, opportunity. So that's what ad platforms recommend. So the best practice is to send all the leads that are in every single stage of your conversion cycle, not just the final conversion. So next, optimizing for all the funnel stages. So you have sent all your funnel stages into Google Ads. That's all the leads in all stages to Google Ads or Facebook Ads or whatever. Now what you have to do is you have to optimize for all of these funnel stages. So what you do is, for example, you'll take one of the funnel stage and you'll optimize it. So this way what happens is the ad algorithms will learn faster and exit your learning phase quicker, and will help you get more and more leads. So once you get more and more leads, that's all. Your complete funnel will, throughout the funnel, can be optimized for top funnel, bottom funnel, mid funnel. Every stage of funnel can be optimized by running the ad campaign specifically for them. So, and remember that each give little time for each of the funnel to be optimized. Next, optimize for the lowest conversion point possible. Generally, it is not possible for some businesses to get more and more data at the which has final conversions. So just based on that data, ad platform cannot learn and give you more better results. So what you have to do is go for the lowest conversion point, as I have showed you in the in the stages, like conversion point, like from your click on home loan section, click on mortgage section, and then click on apply now. So in this stage, the lowest conversion point is click on home loan section. So according to that business, you might have a different stage. So similarly, like that, you will optimize for that lower conversion point. Once you get more number of conversions, the ad algorithm will be optimized a little better. Then you will optimize for the next conversion stage, which is the mortgage section, or click on mortgage. After that, you get enough data for mortgage, you click on apply now section. So that is how you will be optimizing your lowest conversion point, and again bringing back more conversions after you optimize the full funnel stage. This is possible only after you optimize your ad campaigns for all the funnel stages throughout your funnel. So now you have optimized for lowest conversion point. Therefore, you're slowly moving towards the end conversion. Now, eventually, what happens is you will be able to continue to drive lower funnel results. So once your ad algorithm is optimized, you will no longer focus on your lowest conversion point. You will move forward and you will continue to drive your lower funnel results. Therefore, your conversion rates will be pretty high. Your ad campaigns perform very well by optimizing the ad spend, as they are expanding the audience reach and targeting the right audience. So when you target the right audience, obviously you will be driving better results with next, testing value based bidding. When once you have the value for each lead stage, what you do is you will bid for that value and test the value. So this is what you will do. So once you have all your offline conversions being tracked into ad platforms, you can use that. For example, maximize conversion value in Facebook, the same maximize conversion value in Google Ads. So what you do is you will be able to leverage these value based bidding algorithms by sending the lead data, offline conversion data. Now the same offline conversion data can also be sent to Facebook to build value based lookalikes. So what you do is, for each lead stage or each user, you'll assign a value, and based on the difference and based on the value you assign, the ad algorithms will learn which user is of high value, which user is of low value. Then it will build the lookalike audience based on the value, and it will target those high intent, high value users on its ad campaigns. So that is one of the best practice for offline conversion tracking. Now now the last one, but not the least, because I think as we move forward, we'll get more about offline conversion tracking. If you have any thoughts, comment below and let us know. So now the last one is drive AI based campaigns. So all these ad platforms are coming up with AI based algorithms, like your bidding algorithms, such as performance max campaigns, or advantage plus shopping campaigns. So for all of these ad algorithms to drive better and learn better, you need to you can utilize offline conversion tracking to drive these AI based campaigns, because without these offline conversion tracking, AI will not know which user it should optimize for. AI needs data, so you give the right data, you give the right first party data of your customer by using offline conversion tracking, and therefore drive better results for your campaigns. That's it. Thank you. So if you have any doubts or any queries about this video, please comment below and we'll be happy to answer them to you. Or you can also join a free community, the first party data ops community or 1PD ops community at Customer Labs, and we'll answer all your queries that you have related to offline conversion tracking or algorithms working, how to optimize your campaigns, and all that things. So the link to join the community is right below in the description. You'll also have the link to read our blog on offline conversion tracking, how to set up it, and all other things. So thank you.